Hey, what's up, Kishu inu coin holders? Many congratulations, my brothers, to Kishu inu price is increasing from last 12 hour. I have a two good news for all Kishu inu coin holder. But please let me explain, my friend. Subscribe our YouTube channel if you want to earn money from crypto. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. My friends, from last 12 hour, you can see 1.71% the Kishu inu price is increasing. So therefore, this is really great news for all of you, my friends. To Kishu inu price will increasing. And my friend, this is very suddenly pumped, but I have explained, my friend, on the 5th November, very huge explosion. My friends, I have experts predicate this coin. I also predicate this coin after a very hard technical analysis, after a very hard research, my friend. Finally I found this, my friends, true. After the 5th November, the very huge explosion is coming soon. They will suddenly moving upward. First of all, my friend, I will make in my previous video, if you check out, so I will tell you, my friend, to my friends, Kishu inu price very increasing on first November. The big event is coming soon, so definitely they will, my friends, starting moving upward from 1st November, but they will slowly moving upward. So after the 5th November, 100%, my friend, they will suddenly starting moving upward and give you a very good profit. So therefore I will notify you to please before 5th November urgently starting buying and don't starting selling. I hope, my friends, to on 5th November they will give you a very good profit. So my friend, after this all research, my friends, our prediction, our my friends, technical analysis, 100% going positive, and we even found, my friends, for the upcoming time the very huge explosion is coming. The price is, you can see, my friend, 0.801 USD dollar. So this time the current price, if we check out, my friends, is 0. I think here is, my friend, also I think there is 90, my friend, 8 USD dollar. So that's mean, my friends, the price is temporarily dumps down, but don't worry, my friend. I hope they will recover it and again starting pumping up, but you will need, my friends, to starting buying. This time the price will dump down because short time investors are starting buying. If we check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart, we will better understand. So my friend, you can see here from last 24-hour also 13.14% they will get a profit, but this time, as you can see, my friend, they will suddenly dumps down. So don't worry, again after that I hope to after 1st November they will, before, my friend, 1st November they will again starting moving upward. So see you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the Kishu inu price will more and more increasing and give you a very good profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. Allah Hafiz, take care.